Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We're coming up on 7/17, 4th of July weekend. You probably have some plans, but before you get to those plans, you need to know how the weather is looking. Bring in my friend, Chief Meteorologist Lisa Hidalgo. She has a check of your forecast. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, Rockies game last night was awesome. The fireworks were great. We've got another fireworks show tonight, so if your plans do take you to Coors Field or downtown, we'll be at about 84 degrees. First pitch tonight at 7:10, so some low to mid 80s at that point, and storms will likely be off to the east by that point as well. And then closer to fireworks time, it'll be mid 70s, another mild night with some clearing skies overnight. We will see a few storms, though, pop up each afternoon here through the holiday weekend. One of the bigger issues with some of the cells, especially today, would be some gustier winds on the eastern plains. We're going to get to right around 90 degrees, though, both days here through the weekend. Beautiful right now, some low to upper 60s under a mostly sunny sky, and winds are out of the southwest at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So nice, calm, comfortable start to the day. You'll see here on Futurecast, timing-wise, right around about 12 o'clock, we'll get into the mid to upper 80s, so it's going to heat up a little faster today versus what we saw yesterday. And then right around 2 to about 3 is when we'll start to see a few of those thunderstorms rolling off the foothills, then pushing off to the eastern plains, a pretty typical pattern for us here in through early July. We'll hit highs near 90, cooling off as you get a few storms rolling through, and then those will continue off to the east. And then we'll do the same thing over night to night, clear skies, sunshine early Sunday morning, highs right around 90, and then another chance for some storms tomorrow afternoon. So it's going to be, again, pretty typical for us here in July with those temperatures right around our seasonal norms, both today and tomorrow. When you look at that risk of severe weather today and tomorrow, it is going to be a lot closer to the metro area. Tomorrow, we've got a chance potentially even for some isolated tornadoes up over the northeastern corner of the state. Larger hail and gustier winds possible as well with some of the cells here a little closer to Denver. That'll be, again, to Sunday afternoon. Monday, still a chance for an isolated storm. Things are going to start to really dry out, though, by that point, especially by Tuesday and Wednesday. We're talking mid-90s Tuesday, closer to 100 in spots on Wednesday, so closer to some of those record highs by midweek. We'll see a return of some of those afternoon storms later in the week, come Thursday, Friday, with our highs at that point, Wanya, starting to back down a little bit with more low 90s by Friday.